Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. You can hear Buster playing with his bone, of course, because I'm filming. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a bottom round roast. We're going to brown off some onions. Killing me. We're going to saute our veg till it caramelizes, and then we're going to deglaze it with red wine. We're going to pull the veg out, season. I'm only seasoning with salt and pepper. We're going to sear the beef off on all sides, and then we're going to deglaze that pan with some red wine. Then we're going to throw the veg all back into that with a couple sprigs of rosemary, and then we're going to throw it in the oven 300 degrees for about 3 hours. You want the meat perfectly tender, but you don't want it falling apart. And then for side dish, this is just the easy, cheap recipe that we're doing. You know, chefs do cheap stuff too. I'm just doing regular box au gratin potatoes, the bottom round roast, and some cooked broccoli. You know, I'm just doing a fast meal, but I figure I'll just film it while I'm doing it. Hope you enjoy. Caramelized onions, garlic, and carrots. Just browning the roast. There you go, ready to throw it in the oven with our beef stock. We're going to put this in the oven for about 3 hours at 300 degrees, and we'll check back. Alright, let's check in on the progress of the roast. Looking pretty good. Probably another hour and we're good to go. Alright, let's check in on our roast. Done. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Now your roast, you kind of want to get it to about 195 degrees. You want to cook it. You want to fully cook it, and you can tell usually also by pressing into the meat. You get a little pushback. That's perfect. Now we'll let this sit for about 20 minutes in the broth here and let it soak up some more. Then we're going to pull it out and slice it, and then I'm going to take the veg out, blend it up, and turn it into our sauce for it. This is the veg from our roast. Got it in my blender. Now I'm going to blend it up, and if it's too thick, I'm going to use some beef stock in it to thin it out. There you go. Perfect thick sauce. You can make it a little thinner if you want, but I like it like this. It's perfect. These are our box au gratins. Doing the mixture exactly as the recipe says. Water, milk, the cheese mix, butter. Now we're going to throw this in the oven, 450 degrees for about 25 minutes. Roast is done. We're going to cut the strings out. Take the strings off, and then you always want to cut against the grain on beef, and as you can see, the grain is going this way, so we're gonna slice a little these ways. See, it's nice and moist. Beautiful pot roast. Now I'll just slice all of this. I'll use what we're going to use today, but then the rest I'll just put in a container and I'll pour beef stock over it to submerge it so it stays nice and moist. So next time you heat it up, moist and delicious again. There you go, perfectly sliced up. Nice and moist. It's rested for 20 minutes. Now as soon as the potatoes and the veg is done, I'll plate it. Just pulled the au gratin potatoes out. They're perfect. Let it rest just for a little bit, and then we're gonna plate up. There you go, there's our fresh broccoli, our boxed au gratin potatoes, our beautiful pot roast, and we're just gonna put our our sauce. Throw a little bit of garnish. There you go, there's our perfect pot roast, our beautiful sauce, vegetable sauce, our au gratin potatoes, and our steamed broccoli. That's what's for dinner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Aloha.